Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever been in a situation whereby you wanted to eat something fresh and you had it in your fridge, you didn't need to stress to go somewhere else to get it? This was me today. Today I decided to make the okra I had in my fridge for me and my kids. So I decided to make a fried okra instead of the normal way. I'll take you through this process. So in a pan, I added oil, I added onion just for the flavor, and then I divided my okra into two because I'll be using the next batch to make the soup a bit more fresh, if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. So I went ahead with my pre-boiled meat, stocked fish. Today I'm not using any dry fish, I'm using smoked fish. My stock fish and meat was already pre-boiled, like I said, and it was already seasoned. So I did not have to add any other seasoning to this soup. As I said, it was just a quick soup for me and the kids. So I've added my stock fish and meat, and then I added a little bit of water because I felt it was too thick, as I don't like thick soup. If you like thick soup, you can leave yours that way. But me, I decided to add a little bit of water. I'm just going to wait for some time to allow this to boil. I'll bring it to boil, and then I went ahead to prepare my other things I'm going to be using for the food. Now, in my pot is my smoked fish. Oh, I don't like to make my soups without smoked fish. I love smoked fish. Do you want to tell me in the comment section what you normally put into your soup? As for me and my household, we use smoked fish and crayfish. Crayfish is a game changer in a soup. If you want to make your soup to be nice, always use enough crayfish. I added the remaining leftover of the okra just to bring back the freshness and the vibe of the okra. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. I'm going ahead with my pumpkin leaf, which is popularly known as ugu leaf. At this point, after adding the pumpkin and turning it, you can now test for salt, pepper, or extra seasoning if there's need to. But if there's no need for it, then please skip this, as you are about to enjoy a very sweet okra soup. Trust me, you won't regret this. Thank you. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Bye.